Welcome to Number Success, a practical math program hosted by the award-winning author, educator, and successful businessman, Carl Summer. In this program, you will travel with Carl as he shows you how to solve problems in the world around you. From New York to LA, Chicago to Houston, Carl will take you on location and teach math you can use. Whether sightseeing, cruising, fishing, cooking, shopping, or more, you'll want to fasten your seatbelt. This journey through math will take you to hundreds of places on one exciting ride. Joining Carl to provide instructional support are four outstanding teachers who have each won the prestigious National Science Foundation Presidential Award for Excellence in Mathematics. Your instructors are Denise Gripaldi, Christine Lindeblad, Larry Williams, and Jimmy Rios. Here now is your host, author Carl Summer.
Welcome to Number Success, Life Skills, Math Power. In this book, you will learn how to apply in everyday practical living the basic mathematical skills taught in Number Success books 1 through 7. The first 2 units of this book deal with area, volume, measures, averaging, and graphs. The next 2 units deal with handling money. This ought to be exciting because everyone should want to save money. Many practical lessons are provided to help you learn about wages, commissions, taxes, owning a business, interest rates, credit cards, monthly installment costs, checking, utility bills, purchasing a home, and auto expenses. Learning these practical lessons will help you save you lots of money. I'd like to point out a few things that I've used. Currently, I'm putting up a building. And the first thing you have to do is give the architect your ideas. So I went around with my tape measure and measured machines and drew up these plans using my practical math skills. And then after I've made my plans, then I take them to an architect. And there's many pages here, by the way. And he drew up the plans. And as you can see, there's one building over here. And there's these other ones that have these stripes on them. They're the new buildings. One is attached, the other one is separated. So you can see there's many, many practical applications learning these skills. And I'd like to go over with you the 7 steps to problem solving. It is very important for you to practice these 7 steps because with them, you'll learn to avoid making many mistakes and become successful in doing mathematics. Step 1, understand the problem. Read the problem carefully several times to make sure you know what the problem is about. Step 2, think about the solution. Determine how the problem should be solved. Step 3, plan the solution. Choose the proper procedure to solve the problem. Step 4, estimate the answer. Determine an approximate answer to the problem. Step 5, solve the problem. Work the problem while carefully checking that the proper numbers are used. Step 6, examine the answer. Check to see if the answer makes sense. Step 7, double check the answer. Do the problem again to make sure the answer is correct. Let's take a trip to see some practical applications. Let's blast off. Think of all the math used to design this rocket, the space shuttle attached to it, this space station, the suits for the astronauts, and the living and working quarters for science experiments. Think of all the math used to build all the highways and buildings across the United States. Here we are zooming into New York City. Now we're zooming into Manhattan. Look at all these buildings, all had to be designed using math skills. You'll hear me say this over and over again to double check your work. I've avoided many mistakes as a worker because I got into the habit of double checking and even triple checking my work. At the end of this unit, you'll be shocked to discover what it cost our company, Reliable EDM, when one of our workers made what may seem just to be a little mistake, leaving out a simple 0 from a number. It was an extremely costly mistake. Remember, math is more than getting the right answer. You should understand logically what you're doing. Think. Does it make sense? Is it logical? If you understand the logic of what you are doing, then you can apply your math skills to other unknown problems that require similar methods. Now open up your workbooks and get ready for this exciting trip of learning practical mathematics with your award-winning teacher, Larry Williams.